In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep and move element in Frame Figma. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open your file and reposition an image so it stays neatly inside its frame using a quick and simple shortcut. First, head over to figma.com in your browser. When you land on the Figma home screen, you'll see your recent files and projects. Find the design you want to work on and click it to open the canvas. Once your file loads, take a moment to locate the frame you're working in. A frame is essentially a container for your design. Think of it like a defined section or screen where elements live. Keeping your element inside that frame helps maintain structure, alignment, and a clean workflow. Now click directly on the element you want to adjust. Here, that's an image inside the frame. If you click and it selects the entire frame or a group instead, click again to dive deeper until you see the image itself highlighted with a bounding box. That bounding box tells you the image layer is active and ready to move. Here's the key move. Hold down the spacebar on your keyboard, and while it's held, click and drag to reposition the image within the frame. Keep your cursor inside the frame boundaries as you drag so the image stays contained and aligned with your layout. As you move it, watch for the purple smart guides that appear. They help you center the image or line it up with other elements. If you notice that the whole frame starts moving instead of the image, just press undo, click again to make sure the image is selected, and try the drag once more while holding the spacebar. Take your time to find the right crop and placement. If the image feels jumpy, move your mouse in smaller motions for fine control. You can also zoom in briefly for precision and then continue dragging while the spacebar is held. When you're happy with the placement, release the spacebar and click on empty space to deselect so you can see the result in context. That's all there is to it. Open your project, select the design you're working on, and use the spacebar while dragging to move the image inside its frame. It's a fast, reliable way to keep your element in bounds and perfectly positioned without disrupting the rest of your layout. Thanks for watching, and practice this a few times so it becomes second nature the next time you're adjusting images in Figma.